Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Smera Healthy Aiwali from the platform of Nihan Artificial Intelligence Teacher Training Institute Level 1. Welcome to all of you in another exciting episode of TED Talks Review. Viewers, today I am reviewing a very interesting topic called Teaching with the Brain in Mind by Dr. Judy Willis. Before we begin, let me briefly introduce the today's speaker. Viewers, Dr. Judy is a neurologist and educationist who focuses on the relationship between neuroscience and education. Her work explores how understanding the brain can help teachers create better learning experience for the students. And this topic raises a very important question for the students as well as for the teachers. If we understand how the brain learns, can we become better teachers or not? So let's explore the key lessons I took from this topic. The first idea that caught my attention is that teaching becomes more effective when we understand how the brain learns. Every student is different. Some students learn quickly, some need repetition, while some understand better through visuals. The other learns better by doing activities or by discussing ideas. Viewers, this means that one teaching method may not work equally well for every one student. Teachers should therefore think about the new students and how students process and remember information. Instead of asking only, "What am I going to teach today?" we can also ask, "How can I help my students' brain understand and remember this?" That small change in thinking can make a big difference. The second review of this TED talk is very important. That one of the most important ideas in the brain based education in the relationship between stress and the learning. When students feel extremely anxious, frightened, or overwhelmed, it can become harder for them to concentrate and learn effectively. Viewers, think about a student who is constantly worrying about making mistakes. They may know the answer but still be afraid to raise their hand. They may avoid participating. They may focus more on avoiding embarrassment that's on learning. This is why a sportive classroom environment matters. Students should feel that mistakes are the part of learning. A teacher can create an atmosphere where students feel safe to ask questions, try again, and learn from the errors. Next, another important lesson of this TED Talks is that emotions and learning are connected with each other. Viewers, we often think of learning as purely intellectual, but our emotions can influence how we pay attention and remember the information. Think about your own life. You probably remember certain lessons, teachers, or experiments or experiences because they made you feel something. Maybe you were excited, maybe you were surprised, or maybe you made you laugh. Emotional engagement can make learning more memorable. This doesn't mean every lesson needs to be entertaining. It means teachers can be stories or examples, curiosity, discussion, and real life connections to make learning more meaningful. Viewers, another major lesson is the importance of attention. Students cannot learn effectively if their attention is constantly somewhere else. And today, students face many distractions like social media, phones, notifications, messages, and endless online content is available to the students. So, in this environment, teachers need to find ways to make learning relevant and engaging. Instead of simply giving student information, teachers can ask questions. They can use real life examples. They can engage students to solve problems. They can let students participate actively. Viewers, when students become involved in the learning process, they are more likely to pay attention. Active engagement of the students is much stronger than passive listening. So, personally, this topic made me reflect on my own learning journey. As a student of artificial intelligence and education, I have experienced how different teaching methods affect my own understanding. This has taught me that learning is not just about receiving information, rather, it's about actively passing and processing and using information. And I think this is the important lesson for me as I continue developing my skill as an educator. Now, viewers, let's connect this topic with the artificial intelligence. AI can help teachers to create more personalized learning experience. For example, a teacher can ask AI to create different explanation of the same concept for different students because one student might need a simple explanation. However, the other student needs a more advanced example. So, AI can help us to create quizzes, practice questions, examples, and activities. But technology alone is not enough, viewers. We still need to understand the human learners. A teacher A teacher needs to recognize when students are confused, frustrated, excited, or engaged. So, the future of education should combine brain aware teaching, human connections, and responsible technology. Viewers, my five takeaways of this TED Talks are that understanding how the brain learns can help teachers to teach more effectively. Then, excessive stress and fear can interfere with students' ability to engage with learning. The third lesson of this TED Talk is emotions and learnings are connected. So, meaningful experiences can make learning more memorable. The fourth lesson of this TED Talk is that attention and active engagement are essential for effective learning. The last one is that AI and technology can support personalized education, but human teachers remain essential for understanding and encouraging the students. Viewers, it's all about creating the right conditions for the students to think, participate, understand, and grow. So, my overall review of this TED Talk is that Teaching with the Brain in Mind by Dr. Jyoti is very informative and relevant for the modern teachers. So, my best takeaway is that if we understand the learners, we can improve the learning experience. So, this is all about today talks. Is if you find this review helpful, then like, comment, and share. And see you in the next session soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Be happy, keep learning, and make your every minute count. Allah Hafiz.